Hey there, dears and car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Innova 5110, a powerful and user-friendly OBD2 scanner that can help you diagnose your car's problems like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this scanner can be a valuable tool in your garage. Let's get started. Make sure we will cover it in this video. What is an OBD2 scanner and how does it work? Key features of the Innova 5110. Benefits of owning the Innova 5110. Who is this scanner ideal for? Things to consider before buying. Pros and cons summary of the Innova 5110. Final thoughts and recommendations. Before we dive into the specifics of the Innova 5110, let's quickly understand what an OBD2 scanner is. OBD stands for Onboard Diagnostics, and it's a system built into most vehicles manufactured after 1996. This system monitors various engine sensors and components and throws up check engine lights or trouble codes if it detects any issues. An OBD2 scanner allows you to read and interpret these codes, giving you valuable insights into what's wrong with your car. Here are some key features of the Innova 5110. Fast and easy. This scanner boasts incredibly fast scanning speeds, delivering your vehicle's diagnostic codes in under 30 seconds. Plus, it's a plug-and-play device, requiring no setup or batteries. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and you're good to go. Comprehensive diagnostics. The Innova 5110 goes beyond just reading and clearing trouble codes. It offers a wide range of diagnostic capabilities, including ABS diagnostics, ensures your brakes are functioning properly for optimal safety. Quickly identify if your vehicle needs an immediate fix. Smog check and check engine light reset helps you determine if your car will pass an emissions test and allows you to reset the check engine light after addressing the issue. Mobile app connectivity. This scanner connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to use the accompanying repair solutions to app. There are several advantages to owning an Innova 5110. Save money, diagnose and fix minor car problems yourself, potentially avoiding expensive mechanic visits. Peace of mind. Knowing what's wrong with your car gives you peace of mind and allows you to make informed decisions about repairs. Empowerment. Take control of your car's maintenance and become more knowledgeable about its inner workings. While the Innova 5110 offers a wide range of features, it's important to remember that it's not a substitute for professional diagnosis and repair for complex issues. Always consult a qualified mechanic if you're unsure about how to fix a problem or if the issue seems beyond your expertise. Innova 5110 OBD2 scanner. Pros and cons. Pros: fast and easy to use. User-friendly interface. Comprehensive diagnostics. Live data streaming. Mobile app connectivity. Cons: limited repair capabilities. May not be compatible with all vehicles. Limited advanced features. Overall, the Innova 5110 is a great option for DIY enthusiasts and car owners who want to diagnose basic problems, save money, and gain more knowledge about their vehicles. However, it's important to understand its limitations and consult a professional for complex repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.